Hi, I'm Joy Harris, and I'm going to show you how to make icing with meringue powder. It's such a simple recipe to prepare, and you can use it to decorate a variety of cookies and cakes. Now for this recipe, start with 4 cups of powdered sugar. A box of powdered sugar usually contains about 4 cups. Put that in the large bowl of an electric mixer that has the whisk attachment on it. And then to that add 3 tablespoons of meringue powder, and you can see how this is kind of a creamy color as opposed to the white of the powdered sugar. But I've already measured it, and I have 3 tablespoons in here. So you put that in, and I like to turn the mixer on for just a minute on very, very slow, just to combine the meringue powder and the powdered sugar. And then turn it on a low speed, or for a heavy-duty mixer like this, I would put it on stir or 1. If it's a handheld mixer, then you need to turn the speed up a little more. But this is going to have to beat for about 7 minutes. So put it on stir or slow, and then drizzle in 3 or 4 tablespoons of water, you could use up to 6 tablespoons of water. It depends on the weather as well. If it's very humid out, you might not need as much. If it's very dry out, you might need the whole 6 tablespoons. And then turn up the speed and beat it until it's smooth and thick. You beat it until it's smooth and thick, and that'll be anywhere from 7 to 10 minutes. So I think my icing's ready. It's been about 7 minutes, and it's just beautiful the way it goes from that kind of a yellowish color to this beautiful white fluffy icing. So what I'm going to do with it today, I'm going to spoon it into individual dishes, because what I'd like to do, you can use it white just as it is, and I'll do that for one of the cookies, but for some, I need some, if you want to use food coloring in here, and you're not going to use it right away, you can spoon it into dishes, but you don't want to leave it sitting out on the counter because it'll dry out almost immediately. So anything that you're saving to use later, even if later is 5 minutes later, you still need to cover it up with a wet paper towel, and this will keep the moisture in there so that it doesn't dry out. But I'm going to go ahead and frost my turkey cookie right now, just to show you how easy this is to work with. Now, there's a variety of ways to do this, but this is the simplest way. But this icing can be piped on, it can be drizzled on, you can use food coloring. If you want to sprinkle some kind of sugar, colored sugars on it, or any kind of cookie decoration, you can do that as well. Once you use this frosting, I think you'll love it. And once you've made it a few times, you'll get the hang of it. So with practice, it's that easy.